Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Diane, and tonight I'm going to be making delicious banana pudding for you. So let's just get right to it. Here we go. Alright, so I got my mixer here, and we only have 6 ingredients, so yay, it's an easy banana pudding to put together. So for the first part, we're only going to have 3 ingredients that we need for now. So we're gonna start out with a can of condensed sweetened milk, not the regular milk, but the condensed sweetened. I've already taken the lid off. I've washed the lid, and we're just gonna put that over in there. Remember, you need your spatula. It's a wonderful tool to have. So you're going to put this in here. With this recipe, the 6 ingredients that you have, you only have to measure 3. The rest of them, you're just going to dump or use according. Alright, so we got that in there now. We got all the goodness out of that can. And then the next thing that we're going to be doing is we're going to need a 1.5 cups of ice cold water, and mine is ice cold. And you're gonna turn on your mixer, and you're gonna start to mix it. It's a very easy recipe, but it is very delicious. So while it's mixing, you're gonna start to stream in the ice cold water. I do have a little chunks in there because I stuck it in the freezer, but it'll be okay. Trust me. We're going to let that mix. So you want to stream it in very slowly. We're going to pour the rest in. Ice cold water, remember. So this first part is almost done. So then we're going to add 1 box of instant vanilla pudding. Instant vanilla pudding, 1 box. And it is the small box, not the large. The size is the 3.4 ounce. 3.4 ounce. That's all you need. So while that is going, we're going to add this. And we're just going to dump that right over in there and let that mix. This is just a really wonderful, easy banana pudding, and your family is going to love it. Okay, we're going to stop and we're going to scrape the bowl down, because that's what we always want to make sure we do. Just get everything in there. Knock some of this down. We're going to scrape all the way down to the bottom and make sure we've got all that condensed milk in there. All right, very good. All right, now we're going to blend a little bit more. Okay, and that looks good. This off. Get this, and we're going to go ahead and scrape the bowl down again, but that's what you want right there. Just get it all in there. We'll scrape it down really good, but this is half of the pudding part. So those were your first 3 ingredients. You have 3 more ingredients to go. But this has to sit in the refrigerator for 4 hours for overnight. So since it's already nighttime, I'm going to cover mine, and I'm going to let it sit overnight. So I'm just going to cover it with this handy dandy press and seal. Okay. Love that. Then I'm going to pop it into the refrigerator for overnight. Then in the morning, I'm going to come in and you're going to add your other 3 ingredients, which is going to be your heavy cream, your wafers, and your 4 cups of bananas. Okay, so it is the next morning and we're going to continue making our banana pudding. I'm taking it out of the refrigerator, so let's look at it. Okay. Take our covering off. Remember, it has to set for at least 4 hours before you start. And I want you to see that. This is delicious. Okay, so we're going to set this to the side, and okay, so I've transferred my overnight pudding into another container, and there we're going to beat our heavy cream until it gets soft peaks. I've already given this a good shaking, and we need 3 cups of heavy cream. So that's 2 that's going to go in there. And we need 1 more cup. I'm going to put that in there. All right. And then we're going to start to beat this. And we're just going to start out very low first. We're going to beat it until it gets to soft peaks. You have to be careful with this because if you beat it too long, you're going to get butter, and we don't want butter, okay? Because this is how you make your own homemade butter. So we want soft peaks, and I'm going to let that go. While that's going, I'm going to chop up my 4 cups of bananas. Okay, that looks great. I'm just going to turn that off. I'm going to pop this up. And these are what your soft peaks should look like. So it should look like that. Nice and soft and still movable. Okay, so now we're going to get ready to start putting our banana pudding together. See how quick and easy that was? And these are my 4 cups of chopped bananas. So it took the whole stack of bananas that I had, which was 7 bananas. So, okay, so now we're going to fold in our pudding. I transfer it to another bowl so I can use my mixer. And we're going to fold this into the Cool Whip, which is basically what it is. So we're going to fold it until you do not see any more yellow streaks. Go ahead and dump a little bit more in there. You just don't want to whip it. So you're just using a hand over and over and turn. Go to the bottom. Turn, scoop it up, turn it, scoop, fold, scoop and fold, scoop and fold. There you go. You really can't mess this up. This is just a quick and easy banana pudding. Okay, go ahead and get the rest of that in there and give it a good flipping. Alright, that looks good. So remember, you only had 6 ingredients, and of those 6 you only had to measure 3 of those ingredients. Okay, so we're just going to continue to flip it. It's just a flipping motion. And then we're getting ready to cut down through the middle. We still see quite a bit of yellow in there. Just want to get those streaks out. Go deep down. It's just a fold over motion. Okay. All right. That is looking really good. Let's see how it looks from this side. Now this makes quite a bit, so you need a large bowl. Very good. That looks yummy, yummy, and it tastes yummy. So the sweetness is going to be coming from the sweetened condensed milk, and it is plenty sweet, trust me. So next we're going to put in a layer of wafers, vanilla wafers, and on the bottom layer, and in between, I don't try to make it look pretty. The prettiness is going to just come to the top. Clean, washed hands. Okay. Again. And we ain't got time to be trying to lay it all pretty and make it look like trying to get them flat in there. We don't have time for that, okay? We're busy mothers and wives, and we just don't have time to do that. So I got a layer of cookies, and I got a layer of banana. I'm going to go in here with another layer of cookies. And these are the vanilla wafers that I got at Sam's on Friday. And then we're going to come in. Actually going to switch over to my spoon. We're going to put a couple of really nice globs. Banana pudding in there. We're going to spread it. Okay. All right. Let's continue on. And we got a layer of cookie. We got pudding. We're going to go in with some more bananas. Okay. I'm going to go in again, like I said, it doesn't matter how you put these layers in, because I just don't have time for that. Okay. Alright, now we're going to get ready to go back in with another layer of our pudding, which is just water, vanilla, pudding, instant pudding. We put in a heavy cream in it the next day. We'll start to spread that out. As you can see, we got quite a bit left. So we're going to continue building. And as I stated, this makes a lot. And it's a really, really good banana pudding. Again, we're going to go in here with some more bananas. I wish you could smell this. It is awesome. We're going to enjoy this for Sunday dinner. Okay. And then go in with another layer of cookies, vanilla wafers. That's what they actually call it. I remember my grandma used to make this for a Sunday dinner as well, and she used to bake hers in the oven. Trust me, I ain't got time for that neither. Alright, so we're going to go in here with another layer of wonderful filling. Spread that out. We're going to finish up with our last layer of filling. After we put in our last little bit of bananas. Alright, so as you can see, That makes a lot. Just why I had to use such a big bowl. Okay. Alright. So now, again, even though you're at the top layer, we will start to kind of turn these over a little bit because I want to kind of slightly press because it's just so much filling left. And this recipe does take the full bag of the vanilla wafers that comes with the Sam's pack. I don't know if that pack that you buy just at the regular store, whether it be Food Line, Walmart, or whatever, but I don't know if that has enough cookies. I'm pretty sure that the Sam's bag has more in them than what you would get at the store. So we're going to just smush a little bit. Okay. And that's what we want right there. That looks good. You can never have enough cookies. Hey. Awesome. Okay. That looks good. Just pulling up. And this is my last cookie. So as you can see, it filled that up all the way to the very top. Okay. And then we're going to put the last bit of our actual pudding in there. You need your spatula. Remember. See, look how it just goes in there. Gets everything out. I love it. Absolutely love it. I wish you could smell it. Okay, that's great. Now we're going to spread this out nice and even. So we're going to be having this for Sunday dinner after church today. I'm making roasted chicken, glazed carrots with roasted garlic potatoes, and we're also having some greens. So this is going to be just a lovely addition to the end of our dinner. My mom is coming over for dinner today, so she is going to love this. Alrighty. And that does it. That is your bowl full of banana pudding. It makes so much that Mom will be able to take some home with her and enjoy it for the rest of the week too. It smells wonderful. So thank you for watching. I hope you try this, and remember to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Be blessed and get ready to go to church.